Now let's have a look at the individual tab title styles. There are lots of options. In this case, for example, there is no spacing between the titles, but you could create some spacing just like that by increasing this. I had set it to 0, so let's leave it for a moment. You can include a text color, which would be the text color of the normal items, and you can include a text color for hover and when a tab is active. You can select your font family here by using one of the font families that you included in your My Font library. You can use obviously a custom font if you'd like to. You can increase, decrease the font size, include some letter spacing. You can set some borders where you can set them either individually for each side, so that would be border top, left, right, bottom, or you can set them all equally just like that, and then all the borders will be having the same width and color. When you do it individually, like in this case, you can see that I applied different border width and color for the top. You can include some border radius, making it rounder just like that. And you can change obviously the default background color, which is white in this case, and there is some pinkish color on the active or hover one. You can include some padding which will increase your buttons like that, vertically and horizontally just like that.